Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by visually inspecting the port and the cable you have in hand. Confirm the port shape and look for a Thunderbolt or USB-C symbol next to it. Check your cable markings to identify USB 2, 0, USB 3, 2, or Thunderbolt ratings. Prefer cables labeled PD60W or PD100W for charging laptops. Use a 1-meter cable for reliable signal quality and easier desk routing. If unsure, consult the PC manual for port specifications and supported protocols. Power down or leave your PC hot pluggable based on the device manual before connecting. Hold the reversible USB-C plug and align it with the port. Insert smoothly without force. If your PC lacks a USB-C port, use a quality USB-C to USB adapter or a dock. Match the adapter and cable speed to your needs, like 5 Gbps for basic transfers or 40 Gbps for Thunderbolt devices. Securely seat connectors to avoid intermittent connections during data transfer. After connecting, boot Windows and check Device Manager to verify the new USB-C device appears. Install or update drivers from the PC maker if the device does not appear or performs poorly. If your PC does not detect the port at boot, enable USB-C or Thunderbolt support in BIOS settings. For video over USB-C, confirm the cable and port support display port alternate mode for 4K at 60 Hz. If charging is inconsistent, test with a PD65W or PD100W charger and replace the cable if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.